Hello and welcome to another video about the Lightspeed L series restaurant software. Today we are going to take a look how we can use the end of day feature on the POS app. Before we take a look on the POS app itself, we're going to need to configure some settings here. If you want your staff to be able to do the end of day workflow, you will need to give them permission, and you do this the following way. We go to users. We select user groups, and here we see the different user groups assigned to our staff. For example, if we want the managers to be able to do the end of day, we simply press Command or Control F. You can look for end of day, and here you can select end of day. This will be important to be able to do this. Also, you can select here if you want your staff to do end of day like Z reports, user Z reports. You will have to here select the allow user to print closing reports X and Z. There are different options here. Be sure to check them out. You can always see more information under the information sign. Now we are in the restaurant POS app on the iPad or iOS device itself. And now we're going to take a look how we can do the end of day process. Here I'm clocked in with my user called Nancy. She has the manager roles, and as we just configured, she will be able to do the end of day process. How does this work? First of all, we go to the bottom right corner. We press the name, and here you will see the option now, end day. If we select end day, we will get a complete overview of all our tickets that are still open on tables. Here you have the chance to close all the orders that are still open by finalizing them, or we can just do a quick check. We have an overview of everything that is still open. Now, what can we do? If we decide not to close the tickets, we can just press next in the top right corner. The system will give us a warning. As I just said, there are still open receipts, open tables. You can decide to skip this if you want to, or close them individually. And now you get this notification. I also told you you need to give permissions regarding the closing reports, the Z one. Because I gave her the permission to do this, you will be able to create a closing report here. You again get the notification. There are still 7 tables open at this moment. Are you sure you want to create a Z report? If you press no, you will be able to go back and change the tables and receipts. In this case, I'm just going to select yes. And then you have the option to print the Z report. You can just save it as a picture, or you can print it out of the printer that is connected. I'm going to save it as a picture here, and then that's it. If your user is still clocked in, you will also have the option to clock out here. We press done, and this is how you do the end of day flow on the restaurant POS system. I hope this was clear. There's more information about the different Z reports for users and end of day shifts in the help center. If you still have more questions or personal issues with the end of day process, you can always contact our support team. I hope this video was helpful, and I wish you the best of luck.